Well. After almost an entire year, I think we are finally ready to re-rack it into our individual bottles. At this point, we let it age for about another month or however long, I don't know. I've never done this before. So you can see after all that time sitting, we've got a nice dark amber color. It looks kind of like maple syrup almost, but I know it's not going to taste like maple syrup. At least I hope it won't, I don't know. I'm sure you can make maple syrup into alcohol too. With us I have a fancy little wine bottle, so let's see what we got in this thing. Ooh, fancy. So these won't be taking all of this because this is about a gallon and this only gives you about 2/3 of a gallon with all 6 of these. So with that I will you remember this thing. Although this time I'm not going to be attempting to do this in soup, so yeah. You can see all the sediment and stuff that left on the bottom, even in secondary. So we're going to be using that filter or the siphon to get all of this out. That way we can leave that behind, and all we have left for our bottles is our nice clear apple champagne that we made. Just like I expected, I made a big mess again, so I cleaned that up first. But here we have our 6 bottles sealed and ready to, I guess, age. I don't know. But you can see they each have this nice caramel color. A little bit lighter than that bottle, but that's just because that one's thicker, so it makes it look darker. And then left behind, you can see our kind of icky sediment stuff. I also have a little bit left over that I put into one of the larger bottles. I'll need to put that in a smaller container because that's too much air and it'll make it like get bitter. So I'll do that later, but other than that, at this point we just put them in a cool dark place again and we let it age, and then I guess I can get a sampling video later on once that's ready to go. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to get your own inspiration.